good style of this shop. No, good style, good looking shop. Because we already been. I use Nissan maybe Patrol Safari I have 2 years or 3 years, I not remember. Интересно. Can I see how much? How much Nissan Patrol?
Nissan Patrol, sir, 4,690,000.
For 6. Fortuner. Legender. About 2 million. 2,300,000. How much is model?
The SRP is that is the 4x4 LTD 2.5.
2.5 million.
Yes, sir.
2.8 engine.
Yes, sir.
2.8 diesel.
Yes, sir. But if you want, we also have the 4x2. The SRP is 2.3.
2.3.
The difference is the four-wheel functional. Which the price is, sir? If you
No,
have,
I already take a video, so.
if you have any question or concern, this is my details.
Aha,
my
it's
name.
your contact number. Okay.
I will assist you, sir.
Okay, thank you. I'll take video.
Okay, sir.
I think Fortuner is better in the Philippines. Patrol is so big. So big, it's good. This car. Our Rush.
Rush is comfortable to sit also.
Rush
But
comfortable to sit.
Fortuner, it's like, if you sit like, you need to lay down a little bit like this.
No, take a look. You can try. You can try, Shira. You like Fortuner or not?
I don't want to.
You try. No, you try this one. Maybe I will buy soon. I don't know. It's good for your seat. Huh? Comfortable for you? Not comfortable. So not need buy this car. But I won't buy. I know for you better this car. Electric shower. Okay, let's go. It's joke only, of course. Oh, already don't have rain. No, have rain. Have rain. Oh, wet, yeah. Well, Chinese people, Chinese, speak Chinese.
Mandarin or
Yeah, Mandarin. Putunhua.
Chinese also here.
Uh-huh. From Indonesia, maybe. Yes, Indonesian restaurant. Shira, we have time. We can, if you want, we can sit inside. If you want to drink, you can sit inside. Not need to. If you want to rest,
Yes, of course.
because we have time. I won't go to Malate, Ermita. I want to take video later. No, it's about 8 o'clock. Because now not need to go. And traffic right now, I don't want to drive car to Malate. What's why you can find space for seat? Because outside we cannot walk. Outside already rain. And we don't have umbrella. Even I not put in the car.
Of course, in the back.
It's okay. No, it's not my dog.
Mas better ka, no? Alam niyo yung yakiniku? Yakiniku? Sa entertainment mall.
We just come back